The CECC reported 20 local COVID cases on Wednesday, most of them in Greater Taipei. It also said it would change the way it distributes vaccines to local governments for administration.
Instead of sending vaccines in several batches to speed up administration, it will now send the full amount required in a single delayed shipment.
The CECC said this means that vaccine clinics will have to open 4 days later than before. It said it was making the change to ease concerns from some local governments about a vaccine shortage.
Taiwan's fourth round of vaccination is underway. Earlier this week, Taipei said it didn't have enough vaccines for the 140,000 people who made an appointment. The central government sent another shipment to Taipei in the early hours of Wednesday, but the city said it wouldn't have enough time to administer them all by Friday's deadline. The CECC pledged to improve its vaccine distribution.
Local governments can't say they didn't know the vaccines come in batches. Not being pleased about this outcome is how they feel, and we understand that. All of this is happening along a very tight time frame. In the future, we will consider adjusting the vaccine appointment system to give everyone more time to prepare.
So far, 8.08 million people have received at least one shot of a COVID vaccine for coverage of 34%. As of Wednesday morning, Taiwan has 938,000 doses of AstraZeneca remaining. Meanwhile, about 667,000 Moderna vaccines remain. Most of that will be administered in the next round of vaccinations. Starting Thursday, about 519,000 more people will be able to arrange a vaccine appointment. Administration will start 4 days later on August 11th.
In response to us distributing vaccines in 2 batches, local governments may have felt insecure. They felt the supply wasn't assured and it was stressful for everyone. So instead, this time we'll wait 2 days after all the appointments are scheduled so that we know the exact numbers. That also reduces the number of deliveries.
With vaccines in short supply, some people say they're pinning their hopes on the 15 million dose Pfizer order placed by private companies. Earlier this week, the Health Ministry announced it had granted emergency use authorization to the Pfizer vaccine, but the health chief emphasized Wednesday that the first shipment's arrival date has yet to be finalized.
When the vaccines will arrive, we are not sure, but we thought that basically we should do what we can to support this purchase contract and make things go smoothly. So we issued the EUA in hopes of helping the process unfold smoothly.
Chen said the vaccine's arrival date is still to be determined. Once they arrive, they'll be offered to minors and to people waiting on a second dose due to the vaccine shortage.